So for late 2013, Lenovo introduces the all-new ThinkPad X240 laptop, the successor to the previous ThinkPad X230. This laptop is highly customizable from the Lenovo website. Alright, let me go ahead and break down the specs that I have here for this model. This laptop features an Intel Core i5-4200U processor running at 1.6 GHz with a turbo boost up to 2.3 GHz. 12.5-inch HD LED backlit anti-glare IPS display with a resolution of 1366 by 768. 500GB hard drive running at 7200 RPM. Fingerprint reader. Backlit keyboard. Intel HD graphics 4400. For the wireless card, we got the Intel dual band wireless 7260BN with Bluetooth 4.0. This laptop also features 2 battery packs, one is integrated and one is removable. The operating system is Microsoft Windows 8, and with the configurations I chose, the retail price came out to $1,309. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me cut it off right here. There we go. And one last strip. Alright, let's go ahead and dig in here and see what we have. We got Lenovo on top. Get a better focus on the camera here. Let me open the side flaps. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Alright, let me go ahead and set this aside and see what else we have inside the box here. Looks like your AC charging wire. And here goes your AC power adapter. Let me go ahead and take the AC power adapter out and see how small and compact it looks. Feels pretty lightweight, and so far looks pretty compact as well. Alright, let's go ahead and dig in here and see what else we have. There's something wrapped up in foam right here. Let's see, it looks like the additional 3-cell battery pack that I ordered this laptop with. Lenovo is claiming you can get up to 10 hours of usage with dual 3-cell battery combos, or up to 17.4 hours using a 3-cell battery and a 6-cell battery combo. Next up, we got the Lenovo ThinkPad safety, warranty, and setup guide information here for the ThinkPad X240. Also gives you a basic rundown of the controls and indications. Alright, let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and get to the main attraction of the show. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Lenovo ThinkPad X240 laptop for late 2013. Alright, let's go ahead and rip this plastic off and take a look at this beauty. Woo! So smooth. Take a look at this ThinkPad. Let me get a better focus on my camera here. There we go. This is definitely a thin and light notebook. The weight comes in at 2.84 pounds, and with the secondary 3-cell battery pack, you're adding approximately 0.40 pounds more. Here goes the bottom side. There goes the external battery pack slot on top for the secondary battery pack. Let's take a look at this top finish here. It has a very nice soft touch material. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the X240 and take a look inside. There goes the all-new trackpad. Gone are the physical buttons on the X230. Keyboard also looks a little bit smaller compared to the X230. Maybe it's because of the extra space I see on the left and right of the keyboard. Alright, this completes my unboxing on the all-new Lenovo ThinkPad X240 laptop. For the next 3 to 5 days, I'll be testing out this laptop and I'll have a review on it soon. If you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.